Section 1. The Dropshipping Revolution, your ticket to freedom. You want to be your own boss? Control your own destiny. Dropshipping is your ticket. It's the ultimate side hustle, a chance to build a real business from your laptop. No inventory, low overhead, massive potential. This ain't some get-rich-quick scheme though. It takes hustle, grit, and the right strategies to win big. We're talking 6 figures, baby. Yeah, you heard that right. Scaling your dropshipping business is the key to unlocking life-changing income and building a brand that lasts. But it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom. The freedom to work from anywhere, answer to no one, and live life on your own terms. Imagine waking up every day, excited to work on your own business, watching your bank account grow while you sip coffee in your pajamas. That's the power of dropshipping, and it's all within your reach. Ready to break free from the 9-to-5 grind? Let's dive in. This ain't about luck, it's about putting in the work. Building a successful dropshipping business takes dedication, strategy, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. Are you ready to take control of your future and join the dropshipping revolution? Let's go.
Section 2, Level Up. Why scaling is non-negotiable. You launched your dropshipping store, congrats! But listen, selling a few products a week ain't gonna cut it. You gotta think bigger, play the long game. Scaling is non-negotiable if you're serious about this. Scaling means growing your customer base and revenue exponentially. It's about building a sustainable business that generates consistent profits, not just a few extra bucks. Think about it. More customers, more sales, more freedom. How do you scale? First, amp up your marketing. Second, expand your product offerings. Third, automate like your life depends on it. We'll dive deep into each of these strategies, but remember, scaling is the name of the game. Don't get comfortable with mediocrity. Push yourself, your business, your limits. The dropshipping world is yours for the taking, but you gotta be willing to level up and claim it.
Section 3. Supercharge your sales' proven strategies for growth. Want to see those sales skyrocket? Of course you do. Time to crank up your marketing game. First up, social media is your best friend. Engage with your audience, run targeted ads, and leverage the power of influencers. Next, optimize your website for conversions. Make sure it's user-friendly, mobile responsive, and showcases your products like $1,000,000. Don't forget about email marketing. Build your list and nurture those leads with killer offers and valuable content. Customer service is king. Respond to inquiries promptly, go the extra mile, and build real relationships with your customers. Happy customers become repeat customers, and they spread the word like wildfire. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. Constantly test, analyze, and refine your strategies to stay ahead of the game. Keep experimenting and find what works best for your business. Now go out there and crush it.
Section 4, the automation advantage. Work smarter, not harder. Time is money, right? Automation is your secret weapon to save both. Imagine streamlining your operations, freeing up your time, and watching your business run like a well-oiled machine. First things first, ditch the manual order fulfillment. Connect your store with dropshipping suppliers who handle inventory, packaging, and shipping. Boom! Instant time saver. Next up, automate your customer service. Use chatbots to answer common questions, set up automated email sequences, and provide instant support. Your customers will love the quick responses, and you'll have more time to focus on growing your business. Don't forget about marketing automation. Schedule social media posts, automate email campaigns, and use tools to target the right audience at the right time. Automation is all about working smarter, not harder. By automating repetitive tasks, you'll free up valuable time to focus on strategic decisions, product research, and scaling your business to new heights. Embrace the power of automation and watch your dropshipping empire soar.
Section 5. Product Powerhouse. Expand your empire. One product won't cut it if you're serious about building a 6-figure dropshipping empire. You need to diversify, baby. Expanding your product line is crucial for long-term success. First, analyze your current bestsellers. What complementary products can you offer to your existing customer base? Think about upsells, cross-sells, and creating irresistible product bundles. Next, research trending products in your niche. What's hot right now? What are people searching for? Stay ahead of the curve and offer products that are in high demand. Don't be afraid to experiment with new niches. Diversifying into different categories can open up new customer segments and revenue streams. The more products you offer, the more opportunities for growth. Remember, quality over quantity is key. Focus on sourcing high-quality products from reliable suppliers. Your reputation is everything in the dropshipping world, so don't compromise on product quality.
Section 6, Case Studies from Zero to Hero. Let's talk about real people, real stories, real success. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mum who turned her passion for eco-friendly products into a six-figure dropshipping business. She started small, focused on a niche, and leveraged the power of social media to build a loyal following. Then there's John, a college dropout who built $1 million dropshipping empire selling phone accessories. His secret? He obsessed over customer service, constantly innovated his product line, and never stopped hustling. These stories prove that anyone, anywhere, can achieve massive success with dropshipping. It's not about luck, it's about hard work, dedication, and the right strategies. If they can do it, so can you. These success stories are just the tip of the iceberg. There are countless entrepreneurs out there who have cracked the dropshipping code and achieved financial freedom. Let their stories inspire you, motivate you, and fuel your own journey to success.
Section 7. Take action. Your dropshipping destiny awaits. We've covered a lot of ground, but here's the bottom line. Dropshipping is a real opportunity to build a successful business on your own terms. But it's not a spectator sport. You gotta get in the game and take action. Start by identifying your niche, researching products, and finding reliable suppliers. Build a killer website, optimize it for conversions, and get your marketing game on point. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every failure is a learning opportunity. Embrace the journey, stay persistent, and never give up on your dreams. The dropshipping world is waiting for you. The time for excuses is over. The only thing stopping you is you. Take action today. Start building your dropshipping empire and claim the freedom and financial success you deserve. The future is yours for the taking.